International Model School, Edison International Model School, 10th grade. Today, inshallah, we will go through what we have done in the previous days. First of all, we have taken Unit 1 Rainforests. We have the vocabulary and their meanings. We have read this passage carefully. Then we have answered the comprehension questions. They are important. Now we will go and make a revise to grammar, which is the present perfect. Present perfect. And I've written here that we form present perfect by using have or has plus verb 3. Now remember that has is used with he, she, or it. Now I've written two sentences. They have written a sentence. She has made tea. Now look, have and verb 3. Has and verb 3. Okay, now these sentences are affirmative sentences. Affirmative, it means they are not question and they are not negative. They are not negative. Okay, now here we can use already. Here we can use already. Look, I made a space here. Here we can write already. Look where I have put it. Here I can write here already. Okay? Now I will write a negative sentence. You haven't watched the film. Look, this is a negative sentence. Now, although it's negative, it is present perfect. Have and verb 3. Have and verb 3. But it is negative. For that here, we put yet at the end of the sentence. Okay? He hasn't driven the car yet. Okay? Because it is negative. It is negative. And look, I will write two sentences about question. Have we opened the class yet? And this is a question mark. Have we? Now, why do we use yet? Because it is a question. Has Salma or Huda, has Huda bought a new mobile yet? And here is yet because it is a question. Now you must do these exercises, number 5 and number 6. Now if you open your book, you will see that this is a revision about the name of some animals and birds. Here, this is a passage about rainforest. Yes, then you will go to the letter to Sally from Julia about her visit to Jordan. And here we made a comparison between, or comparative between, all the trees on earth. Bristlecone pines and Wilmy pines. Then we will go to unit 2, and unit 2 is very important because it speaks about treasures of the earth: ruby, amber, diamond, emerald, beryl. Then we will go quickly to page 19. On page 19 we do this exercise. Then we go to grammar, which talks about could and can't and might and must. Excuse me, and I will clean the board here to write about those models. Here, must or have to, must, could, might, now I explained to you that must, we can give it more than 90%, 90%, and could about 50%, but might about 25%. Okay, but can't 0%. For that, you can see how possible this action is happen. Like, look, now don't forget to know that these models about possibilities, الإمكانية. For that I can say you must. Now if I met a student in 10th grade and I ask him, what's the last lesson you have read in English? Now this person is from another school and I don't know him. He said, Treasures of the Earth. I will directly said, you must be a 10th grade student. You must be a 10th grade student. لأنه لما سألته وين صرت بالإنجليزي وإنه بقول لي بوحدة شو اسمه هذول الستونز، الاميرالدز والبرل. بقول له ايش؟ أكيد لازم إنك أنت بالصف العاشر. And could, now if I look at him and speak to him, or I see that he's a tall boy, a fair hair, nearly blue eyes, I can say he could be about this boy. I said to you, he could be English. He could be English. يعني هنا لما طلعت شفت المواصفات بقول والله ممكن يكون انجليزي، ممكن لا. ممكن ابوه وامه هنا يعني شقر وعيونهم خضر ودوشه، بس هو صامت وطلعت عليه في ملامح الانجليزي فقلت he could 50% 50% لا. اوكي، لكن كمان بدي أحكي عن مثال. لو شفت واحدة وشعرها كثير جعدي، كثير جعدي وفيها سمار واضح، بقول she might be African. ممكن تكون أفريقية، ممكن، لكن قديش احتمالية؟ 25. لكن لو بدي أحكي عن هاي البنت نفسها، هاي اللي شعرها نيجرو، اللي شعرها نيجرو، شعرها نيجرو هذه، بجي بقول she can't نفسها، she can't be English. مستحيل انها تكون ايش؟ انجليزية. مستحيل انها تكون انجليزية. ما ممكن انها تكون انجليزية. طيب. We have done many sentences. We have exercise 6 and 7. And we have those that are explained the difference between must, might, and could, and can't. Then we have read the passage about emails in Egypt, and this is an important passage, and we focus on it. Then we will, inshallah, next week we will take page 22, 23, and I hope that you must look at your activity box and to see how do we do these exercise and pace. I hope that you can get use of this revision, and I hope that I can meet you another time on the online lessons. Thank you.